Want to know all about air conditioner parts and what they actually do, especially if a hard start kit messes with your condenser fan? Alright, so first off, the hard start kit is mainly there to help your compressor get going without stressing out. It doesn't mess with the condenser fan at all, so if that fan is acting up, look somewhere else. Your condenser fan's job is to blow air over the condenser coils to cool down the refrigerant. If that fan stops working, your AC won't cool right, no matter what you do with the compressor. When installing a hard start kit, just make sure you follow the instructions or get a pro to do it because it connects right to the compressor terminals. Also, keep an eye on your capacitor since it plays a big role in starting both the fan motor and the compressor. If you hear any buzzing noises or the AC struggles to start, it's usually a sign the capacitor or compressor needs checking. Cleaning the condenser coils regularly is another simple tip because dirty coils make your system work harder, which can lead to bigger problems. And don't forget to change your air filter every month or two to keep airflow steady. Low airflow can stress all the parts, including your compressor and fan. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking the hard start kit will fix every AC issue, but it only helps with compressor startup problems. If your condenser fan isn't running, that kit won't save you. Another common problem is ignoring a bad capacitor, which can cause both the compressor and fan to fail starting properly. Replacing a weak capacitor is usually an easy fix. Lastly, skipping regular maintenance like cleaning coils or changing filters leads to clogged systems and overheating parts, so setting a reminder for these simple tasks can keep your AC running smooth without surprise breakdowns. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the stress and guessing. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with people looking for their services, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.